Hey there, email warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to organize and sort your Gmail by sender in 2025. With the constant influx of emails, keeping your inbox tidy is more important than ever, and this method will help you quickly filter out what matters most. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account on either the web version or the mobile app. Gmail has evolved a lot by 2025, with smarter AI features, but the basics remain straightforward. Start by heading to your inbox. It's the main hub for all your emails. Step 1. Click on the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. This is your gateway to powerful sorting tools. To sort by a specific sender, type in from sender name, for example, from john@example.com. Hit enter, and voila! You'll see all emails from that sender neatly displayed. But wait, there's more. In 2025, Gmail's enhanced search filters let you refine this further. Add operators like from sender name before the 1st of January 2025 to sort by date, or combine it with is unread to focus on new messages. On the web version, you can also click the filter icon next to the search bar for advanced options, like creating a custom filter to automatically label or archive emails from that sender. If you're on mobile, open the Gmail app, tap the search icon, and enter the same from query. You'll get the same results, but with a more touch-friendly interface. Pro tip: set up labels or folders for frequent senders to automate this process. Go to Settings, then see the Labels section to create and apply them. Once you're sorted, your inbox will feel less overwhelming, giving you more time for what really matters. Remember, staying organized boosts productivity, especially with Gmail's 2025 updates like I suggested sorts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.